In this module, I'm going to show you how to create a Google Ads Manager account. Typically, these accounts are used by agencies, so that way they can view all their clients' accounts. It could be used by a business owner if, let's say, they owned a franchise and they needed to manage multiple accounts. So you're going to go to Google, just type in Google Ads Manager account. You're going to need to have a Gmail associated to this as well. So go to Manager. It's just going to ask you for some basic details, whether you're managing other people's accounts or your own accounts. Click submit. And that's really it. So now you can see, and what you'll do is you'll come into here and you'll see all your clients' accounts under the account tab. You can add a new account, create a new account, or if you have a customer that already has a Google Ads account, you would just ask for their account ID, enter it in here, send it off the request, the customer accepts it, and then you have access to the account.